Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom Eternal with a keyboard and mouse on your PlayStation 5. First, connect your wired USB keyboard and mouse directly into the console's available USB ports. The PlayStation 5 typically has 3 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C port. For wireless devices, ensure their USB dongles are plugged in. Confirm your console recognizes both devices before you even start the game. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. Once your devices are connected, launch Doom Eternal. Head straight into the game's main menu and find the Settings option. Within Settings, look for Controls or Input. Here, you should see an option to switch your input method from controller to keyboard and mouse. After selecting this, take some time to customize your keybinds and adjust the mouse sensitivity. Finding your perfect sensitivity can significantly improve your aim and overall performance. To truly master Doom Eternal with keyboard and mouse, consider optimizing your setup. Many gaming mice allow you to adjust DPI, or dots per inch, which directly impacts sensitivity. Experiment with values between 400 and 1600 DPI to find what feels most natural for you. Also, remap critical actions like weapon switching or grenade throws to easily reachable keys. Consistent practice in the game's early missions will help you build muscle memory and react faster. Sometimes, you might encounter minor issues. If your keyboard or mouse isn't responding, first try unplugging and replugging them into different USB ports on your PlayStation 5. Ensure your console's system software is fully updated, as this can resolve compatibility problems. For persistent issues, consult Doom Eternal's official support resources. They often provide specific peripheral recommendations or troubleshooting guides. With these tips, you'll be ready to rip and tear through demons.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.